Hi, I'm Mandy from Garden Infatuation, and I decided to make a YouTube channel because I wanted to track the progress of my garden and to learn new things. And I also want to showcase my beautiful province of Nova Scotia, Canada. Just a disclaimer that all the filming I'm doing is on a cell phone, as well as the editing, so the quality might not be the best, but I hope you enjoy. Nova Scotia is located on the east coast of Canada. It is one of 4 Atlantic provinces, and we garden in a hardiness zone of 6B. This is Jilly, my Cocker Spaniel. She is almost 3 years old, and she might show up in a couple of videos. In this video, we are going to clean and rearrange the furniture in the sun porch. I think that the sun porch is one of the most underutilized rooms in our home. We don't use it in the winter because it isn't heated. In the future, we'd like to whitewash the pine, and I'd definitely like to paint that door. And I definitely want to get some more greenery in here. So let's get cleaning. Jilly and I woke up to the glorious sound of rain this morning, which was much needed. I'm sure the farmers are all breathing a sigh of relief. So I thought I would let you listen to the relaxing sounds of rain on the sun porch roof. This piece of furniture is a family heirloom. It belonged to my great-grandfather. Before the First World War, he was a sailor, and we believe that this was his sea chest. I decided to open the sea chest to see what was in it, and I actually found another family heirloom that we had misplaced. Some pictures of my great-great-grandfather and my great-great-great-uncle. Here is after I cleaned and rearranged the porch. I now have a spot to put my coffee in the morning and my book that I'm reading in case I want to come out and read. I think I'm going to pick up some plants for the empty plant pots. Probably some succulents because it gets very warm in here. In case you're wondering, that is the Nova Scotia tartan. We had a tragedy in April, so we're all displaying our pride and our love for our province. I'm going to be on the lookout maybe for some fern. I was thinking ferns in the porch. But for now, to bring in some green, I brought my pilea plant in, or friendship plant, and this little tiny terrarium with these little tiny cactuses in it. On the to-do list, hulling all these strawberries, 10 quarts. Look at that nice big juicy strawberry. We're very fortunate to live in the agricultural community of our province. We have some of the best produce in the world, I believe. Here is the finished product. 2 large bowls of fresh Nova Scotia strawberries ready for the freezer and strawberry shortcake. If you liked this video, why not hit subscribe to my YouTube channel? Thanks for watching.